So once you've got clear on those 3, 4, 5 things that you want to manifest at the moment, now it's time to write your thank you letter as if they've already happened. It's a gratitude letter. So again, it's slightly different to your basic list of goals like what Grant Cardone and a lot of other successful people do. So there was a man who had written his thank you letter to them, and then there he was on this video, able to have met them, to be reading them the thank you letter, and to be able to tell them that what he had written down had manifested. But you can write your letter to anyone. You could write it to your God, your creator, the universe, Allah, your guardian angels, your higher self. Address your letter to whoever you like. And then write a paragraph for each thing that you want. It just has to be like 2 sentences.